Just a quick one to address something that has been going on Facebook. I learned that somebody opened an account. And with my name, Akozion Idume. Somebody opened an account with Akozion Idume, and the person goes around the internet, social media, commenting on my behalf. I am not the one. Zolobita Island season this time around. Even people who are handling my Facebook, even some of my admins, some of my staffs who are handling my Facebook are also busy. Hanna factory na Roro. Or what is all I'm not commenting? Anybody who is see the same liars who told you that I was suspended in Zion Ministry. When I have never been suspended by anybody. How can Zion Ministry suspend me? Have Zion Ministry suspended anybody before? Talk of me. So these are the handwork of Ndo Rindase and my useless people. Okay, with their handwork. Who is that? Who is that? Okay, with the handwork of Ndojo. I did not create. That is not my Facebook. That is not my Facebook. We are not commenting anywhere. I don't comment anywhere. I did not try commenting anywhere or with anybody. I don't comment anywhere. I didn't say anybody to comment for me. It is not my Facebook. It is not my account. This is my original account. When you see them commenting with any name with Akozion, it is not scammers. It is the same people that said that I can't come to Zion Ministry again. They are the same people who are doing that. They are not scammers. We know them. But with time, they will learn in the hard way. With time, they will learn, and they are going to learn in a very hard way. You understand? I'm under the Emir. They are the same people who posted and said that Akozion had been suspended in the Zion Ministry, and they have been saying all sorts of lies against my person and against my spiritual director and the Zion Ministry. So they are the same people who goes around creating an account, and they will put the same picture I am using on my DP. Now it's no more when I commented why it is not me. I am not the one. Disregard any my page. My page went about 78,000 followers. This page with about 78,000 followers. So if anybody is commenting anything on my behalf, if anybody is commenting anything saying it is me, it is not me. I am not the one. If I want to comment, if I want to address everything, you guys have already know me. You guys have already know me. I'm a fearless person. If I want to say anything, if I feel like saying anything, I will come out open and say it, and nothing will happen. That's just the truth. And the only truth about it, you understand? If I want to say anything, if I want to comment anywhere, I will come out open and say it, and nothing will happen. And another man choku unless they chomo. Another man be as a good citizen, as a responsible citizen of Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I'm a mihedi noku, and I'm a mihedi iwu until Imesamia, I will come for you. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I am not using any platform to comment anything. I have only 2 Facebook accounts which I have shared my backup page, which is Christian Ngozi Iduma. That's my backup page, and this other one which I'm streaming live from. You understand my point? So they are using fake account with my name to say all sorts of things. It is not me. Like, it is not me. If I want to say anything, I will say it with this my page, which have 78,000 to 79,000 followers. That is where I will come and say anything I want to say. I am not using any fake account to say anything. I am not using any other account to say anything apart from this account. So disregard any comment, disregard any post that comes with any other accusation that is not this page. They created, someone showed me, look at it here. They created an account with accusation. They created accounts like this one. I never made any comment like this. This is not me. Like this one here is not me. I will try as much as I can to verify this page. Please also send me your account number. Thank you very much, my brother. I will try as much as I can to verify this page. I will try as much as I can to verify this is not my page. This comment is not from me. And the people foolishly, the same people who made this comment, the same people who made this comment, that one that did not reply here as if it is not me. It is not me. Please and please, the good people of Zion Ministry who are already worried that I have disappointed them, the good people of my village, Igbo people, Boy State people, who are calling me thinking I have disappointed them by descending so low. You gotta make some nonsense comment, and then now drag with some people in the comment section. Please, it is not me. Look at it, this one, like this one for example, it is not me. I am not the one. I am not the one. Please disregard any information of this kind. You understand? Please, it's some people who said they have been suspended from Zion Ministry. It's the same people who said, who goes around trying to see if they can drag Zion Ministry indirectly. People who think that they can milk or they can be cashing out with Zion Ministry and her members. People who goes around looking for their fellow man, the way they can feed from their fellow man's pocket, instead of them to go and hustle. Their interest is to look for a way to feed from their fellow man's pocket. That are the people who are still doing the same thing. But one day their cup go full. Ayamara, and one day Ayamara and Chabuncha, their cup iko hageju, aye weremara Chabuncha. So bikono obula mwa na eme ya, enwere time now. Zolo bitters, I don't know season. Like we are trying to meet up the demand that is coming. A lot of people behind mine. We are struggling to do this because I ain't time for all these things. There's no time anywhere. Thank God people are coming out. Like Facebook have listed my band. It's above 200 now. So I am not commenting, I am not dragging anything with anybody of any kind in the comment section. No. It is not me. A lot of people just like this one. This was on the mother screenshot there. It is not me. The two admin. Okay, 3 admin, yes. 1 for Zolobita and 2 for my page. The 2 admin I am paying for this page. All of them automatically have all Zolobita. Only page again. Yes, I am okay. I am very, very much okay. Nobody should bother about me. Nobody should bother about my well-being. I thank you guys for caring, but and I'm not going to be poor and I'm not going to fall. Come on, gather more plan what is very simple. Because I bet when I line now it's a problem. I bet when internet now I call people out to insult them. I bet when internet now joining unless if you come for me, unless if you come for my ministry, unless if you come for my spiritual director, if I have time, if I think you want my response in whichever way I'll come for you. But if I think you want to get, I will never talk to you. So bikonu noli big noli karakara moputo. So enwego onye ọwụla owege any page of Zolobita to the war. Oko Zolobita kaske with a boom. Oko Zolobita kaske with a boom. Mama Gahapra Zolobita Kazwike. Or Habia grown the company Hapamaka Mahapulimo. My side out to them. Hey, you make what is here? Come here the recipe, not the recipe there's so. So because owegi all I'm respond. Oh yes, it's a very big mistake. Bring it, yes, Nkiru, I'm very sorry, I have apologized to that. Over and over, Nkiru, Ago Bata. Because you people should forgive me. Bringing them close was my great mistake. It was my fault. I am sorry. You guys to forgive me. And I'm gonna know what, but I was no mistake. I didn't make any mistake around them. I didn't mess up around them. Although you guys already know me, I respect myself. I try to do my things in the right way and the right manner. So because if I involved or bring in okay, send them request. Okay, send them request, but I will be very brief here. Don't want a lot of things in them. I want a lot of those in the ministry here. Because see them all because of now. It's long time, man. Okay, send them request. I have not seen your request because send them press one, man. So because owoge the page all I'm creating anywhere. Owoge the page all I'm creating anywhere. Now we get this one in the stream live. So if anybody going there to respond, because I am Kuriha, I have an opportunity to talk to him or to talk down on him or to Oga guy. You are talking to a criminal. You understand? Because I am trying to do that. Am I hearing the thing name? Okay. The thing is not connecting. So if you can send me a request, tell me, I will add you up. No Yankemke will back to back. Because once they come up, okay, I'm not seeing your request. Maybe you can leave the program and then come back again. Maybe I think it will be better. I'm not seeing. If I see, I'll add you up. So because I don't want to comment any single thing. It is not me. This is only accusation that is from me, and we have been struggling. Ayola Oge has been working for me to see if she can verify the page direct from Facebook in New York. So Biko, very soon it will be verified by her help. Your drink there my hand right now. I bet your drink there my hand right now for Dubai. Jesus Christ. I bet start picture and post for us here. Let's see. Please, thank you. Yeah, they are hoodlums. So, Biko, I beg you guys in the name of God of Zion Ministry. It is not me. Before. I am fearless because I know that the way I'm Choroku. I am fearless because I know that the way I'm not cheating. And I'm interested in my own. I am not interested in whatever anybody is doing. I'm interested in what concerns me. I'm interested in my well-being. I'm interested in working hard and praying to God that one day, okay, as one of the richest Nigerian man, that is what I'm working for. So I am not looking into anybody's affair, if not my own personal affairs. I am not interested in anybody's affair, if not things that concerns me. Because of disregard everything all I had a day from every Facebook call, from every Facebook call I had a day with Akozai to me, with a picture the same picture of my DP, Mayor or Wuro Mua. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. Because it is not me. It is not me and it will never be me. You guys already know where the hate is coming from. You guys already know where this whole hate is coming from. Because now, what a crepe panko Caribbean, as not by an Ajofia. What a crepe panko Caribbean, as not by an Ajofia. I am not against anyone, I am not against anybody. Everybody is free to do whatever thing he or she wants to do. And I'm a TD Ghana. If you can notice me very well, just notice me very well. Start noticing this from henceforth from Facebook. I don't even tag people on my post. Go and check it. I don't tag people. I don't even tag people. Go and check my. I have not made any post one day and tag anybody. Go and check my post. I have not tagged anybody one day. A baby post to tag a mother for one single day. A man be to me. Yeah, it's either I tag by Zolobita or Zolobita will tag myself. I also urged and advised the people. I also urged and advised the people now handle my Facebook page not to tag anybody. Even themselves. I don't even encourage them. I don't even tag anybody on my post. Amen. Baby random. Amen. Baby random. Are you getting my point? So I have not fight anybody in social media. And never will I fight with anybody's name in social media. But if you come for me, I will come for you. If you come for my father, I will come for you. If you come for my ministry, where I belong. Oh my God, I'm live. You want to show your face? I don't want to strike it. So if you come for me, I will come for you. But if you don't come for me, or what do you game? No wrong with you, come no wrong with me. Yes, son. No wrong with come no wrong with me. If you like, I just say let me use this little time and dread this thing. Now, come and do the way come go me, come up with him the convent akaya. You understand? So because I think I have to stop for now because we here Basra Zolobita Kai people. I will have to stop for now. Because will comment. A lot of people was always disappointed. How can I be commenting this kind of a thing? Got check a page or will get my page or will give more than 1,000 followers. When it up to 1,000 followers, why I have almost 90,000, almost 8,000 followers, which is my original page. Because I will get my own tomorrow by 9 o'clock. I may be here again to address it more because of time. There were a lot of things in there, man. But because now you go that now. I cannot really live today. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm happy when I'm fellow. Because only we were na kuza mu Zolobita ya we sie yike. Only we were na ebugo bi wo pa kuza ya we sie yike. Only we were na kuza na Gaza ministry ya we sie yike. Only we were na kuza Jesus iwi isi ya we sie yike because the him na mkpora I am not leaving them anytime soon. I am not going to leave them. Like I am not leaving them. I am not leaving them anytime soon. Like if we them boraha, we don't know we will na mo no get in the card damma. Yeah, we say yike. These things I just mentioned here, I'm not leaving them anytime soon. I'm not going to leave them. Only week when I'm with our member, yeah, we make a wasa. Me get we get we motor jam or one day. Ide we nebuko obi, who my spiritual father. And I'm his spiritual son. Ige we katigwa mota jam ogu keka kutu ogi no se nwo one we no one with Zolobitas. Ye we katigwa wo ichiraka ge iwure ichiro to one day je mo bu ogi n'aka ge. Ye we one we na mu no gechi njakadi na mma ka no acid we acid nwo gare Go with sniper, because if for this 4 thing, I am not leaving them anytime soon. Go and do what you want. You are not separating me from this 4. You are not separating me from this 4. It's very simple. Separating me from this 4 is like taking away my life from my body. So go and deal with that. It is your. I am old enough to choose where to belong and where to stand. And I am also old enough to know what is right and what is wrong. So you can go choose for your father, you can go choose for your brothers, not me. I don't know you. And I told me, Maggie, once you are against what I believe, I don't want you. If you are against what I believe in, I don't need you. Go your way. Achoronge. What is very simple. Bikonu. Wanna comment those things. They created account with my page. And don't know my they create here. The same people snatch from also as I ministry. They are the same people who are creating this account. Now cause news out in the internet. Deep man or catch on Facebook page. I will house again. We're industry again. I don't understand that part. Automatically, Igbo man, I'm not talking to a lazy man. Igbo man and I'm hardworking people. I'm not sure it's lazy people overnight because of the internet monetization. So, Bikono, Oburamu create an account and it will never be me. This is my original page. And on that page, the other of my backup page, which is Ngozi, which is Christian Ngozi Iduma, That's my backup page. Thank you. All the Facebook can lift to my bank. We almost got into 500 viewers. So Biko, share on this page. Share on this post. So yes, Ogechi Njaka is my love. Anybody can go and do anything you want to do. I am not going to hate her. If you want to hate me for that, start doing that now. Only for Joe may hate you no more. How can a poor man, or somebody just commented that? How can a poor man choose a friend for a rich man? Nothing baby girl. The thing about if you don't like these people that I like, these things I mentioned there, you cannot hate anyone. Oh, you cannot hate anyone. Just take it from me. For my life, you can't hate anyone. If you hate anyone out of these 4 things, if you hate anyone, you are my enemy. So if you think you like me and you hate anyone out of these 4, you are my enemy. So you are not loving me, you are not liking me. Yes, now classic more correct Onyaba, number 1. Okwonyima abaka go born and brought up okwa 1 million water side way na for. So become, let us take this thing home. Let us understand it very well. And when many other account, they can continue with their hate. They can continue because you are hating someone. You are on internet hating someone who doesn't know your existence, who doesn't know where you live, who doesn't know if you eat or not. You only the ambassador get on Facebook. They hate the person. They want to say drug man. People they match ife. Don't we make it easy. So because I'm not busy. You need to verify. Yes, I'm trying to verify the account. We are in the process of verifying it. Don't worry, it will be done soon. So Ngabialawa is almost getting to 500 people watching. Facebook have lifted my ban. I'm very happy. So let us talk tomorrow by 9. Yes, anybody. The only person who doesn't love Ogechi, when actually Zogu, Ogechi cannot come for you if you don't come for her. Ogechi na nọrọ onwe ya, unless you come for her, she will come for you. Ogechi ana na-achọ mmadụ ma ị chọrọ ya. Ọ ịchọ ya, ya chọrọ gị bịa. Ogechi nwere ihe o mere mụ, ọ chọtụbeghị okwu. Yes, outside internet. Outside internet, mụ na-agba wall. I watch a wall na phone, I ekpezie. Ọgụrụkwa ọmụ, ọkwa mụ agụrụkwa akwụkwọ hụ na otu lai mụ na ekwu, ma akpọ ya. Ọ ga good friends kwesịrị eme. Everything must not come on social media. Maka ndị na-asị na mgbe Ogechi ga-agba gị wall, mgbe gị Ogechi, mụ na Ogechi na-eso okwu steady, kpezie ya outside internet. Steady. Mụ na Ogechi na-agba wall steady outside internet. Anyị gbachaa ya, anyị ekpezie na okwu. That's what friendship should be. Away very little time, but I've been on social media. So if anybody, he man hate you, he man hate these 4 things. See now my page poor. I don't want you also. Very simple. God bless you guys. I don't mean to harm anybody. I don't mean to speak ill or bad against anybody. But I'm just trying to say it how it is. Because don't forget to take your Zolo bitters to calm your nerves every evening. All the very important. All the very important. God quick for things is why all the very important.